All right, so to help your hair grow strong and healthy, eating the right foods is important. So here's some best foods for hair growth. In first place, eggs. Eggs are packed with protein and biotin, okay, which are essential for healthy hair. So protein helps build and repair hair, while biotin supports hair growth, okay? Number 2 is leafy greens. Vegetables like spinach and kale are rich in vitamin A and C, which help with your scalp to have healthy hair and encourage hair growth, okay? Nuts and seeds. Number 3, nuts like almonds and seeds like flaxseeds, are very high in vitamins and healthy fats, and they provide nutrients like vitamin E and omega-3s, fatty acids that support health. Number 4, fish. Okay, fish. Fatty acids like salmon, okay, are great for your hair, and mackerel too, because they are rich in omega-3 fatty acids and protein, which help nourish the scalp and the brain, okay? Your brain too, believe it. Sweet potatoes, very high in beta-carotene, so basically it converts into vitamin A, and this keeps your scalp healthy and promotes hair growth. Number 6 is berries. Berries like strawberries and blueberries are very high in antioxidants. So basically, it helps protect your hair follicles from damage, and it supports healthy growth. Eating a variety of these foods can provide the nutrient that your hairs need to grow strong and healthy.